Okay guys, today we're working on 2009 Honda Civic 1.8 liter engine. So the customer complains the air conditioning it stopped working, it only blow hot air. So let's confirm the customer complaint. So we have to start the engine and then to confirm the AC doesn't get cold. I can feel it's cold, I can feel its temperature is changed, but you guys on the video like nah. So I have right now the outside temperature is about like less than 80 degrees. Okay, let's push this thing in. Okay, let's turn on the AC. The first you can hear the fan turn on and press the AC. Yeah, from out there under the hood I heard the radiator fan turn on, and as you can see the temperature is now a little low because the little air blows through the thermostat. So okay, let's see. Let's check it out. See what's going on. Every time you don't get AC working, and go out here. You see down there. Sorry, it's hard to see on the video. Let me use the light. Right there, the AC clutch not engaged. And then let's check it out, see what's going on with this system. And now the camera will be off, and I got everything ready for electrical measure tool, something like that. And always we check on the easiest step first. So I already have my electrical tester here. This is called Power Pro. Already hooked up to the batteries. This one we have the tone on it. I love it. See, this one they will tell you the tone. They're telling you the negative, even the green light indicator. This side will use the red, positive. Okay, anyway, and I already have the jump cable here for that tool, and it's long enough from this side of the vehicle to another side, get closer to the AC compressor, and then leave it right there. As you can see, the fuel box right there. Get the fuel box in the corner there. Let's find out what the relay for the AC compressor. I guess the fuel box right out here, and you can see the guy right here. It's telling you the snow icon. That means the AC compressor relay is this guy. And what is that? Yeah, this one, the AC compressor relay. Let me use something, try it out. It's hard to take it out. Okay guys, I already took the relay out here. As you can see, this terminal and this terminal, they seem to be the same size, and this terminal and this terminal is it stays different way, and then we know that this is control relay. Let's see, I have the jump cable here. Let me put this on the control to check the coil. I put one in here, another one. It should be toned. Yeah, right now the ground is the tool telling me the ground, and I know that the relay coil is still no broken, no open. That ground is from here, right? And then right now we don't have the answer, did relay good or not, but we don't really need to check it for right now. Okay guys, right now you see the I already took the relay out, and you see this on the relay slot right here. We have one right here, 1 2 3 4 terminal. So I would like to see at least we have one power, one ground, and with the key on we have 2 powers, 1 ground right here. And then let's check it out, and then we go from there. Let me back in the car, turn the key on. For now I want to check these terminal first. As you can see, this one and this one of them is power, another one is ground. Where this ground come from? This ground come from the relay clutch coil, from the check sheet ground. Yeah, as you can see right now, my tool is telling I have power right now on one slot. Another one, I have the power. Oh, I have the ground and have the power. That means I don't worry much about the clutch coil broken, open wires, because I have the ground continuity here, and then I have the power, and that means this AC compressor should work. Okay, let me go inside the car and then turn on the key. Right now you can see another terminal. We have the ground here, and then we have nothing here. Nothing here. This means the control relay, control coil. Okay, let me back in the car and turn on the key. Okay guys, right now the key is on. Of course, nothing changed on the slot. Power, ground, and now with the key on, we have the power on here. And we still have nothing here because the AC not on yet. Let me go inside the car and turn on the key with the cable intact like this. Okay, I will put this in here. Let me see. Okay, put the cable in here, and then the end of the cable I will put it in this. Okay, right now as you can see on the tool, it's saying nothing. and I will leave the tool right here, and you can check on it. When I turn the AC on, it should be toned. It should tell me some reading over here. Okay. Let me go inside the car and turn the fan, turn the AC on. So right now you can see on the tool is telling me the negative change to this terminal. What that means the system is controlled. So back on this terminal, we still have the power, and I want to put this in the ground. Okay, you can see that. Okay, turn off the camera and move to the AC compressor with my jump cable on my hand and see how the AC compressor is working. Okay, right now my jump cable on this terminal, this class is, like I say, it came from the AC compressor plug. So the cable is long enough to go to another side. Right now my tool is telling me the negative, and then go here. Okay, let me turn off the tone. It's still telling negative. You can see the AC clutch out there. Right now the AC clutch is nothing here. Once again, you can do whatever you wanna do, but I warn you should not do like me, because before you do something, you have to be sure. Right now, like I say, my jumper on my hand, I will put the power to the AC clutch and see how it works. And one more thing, you can do that in about like a few seconds, and you have to turn it off. Yes, as you can see, the engine change, RPM, and the compressor clutch engage and spin. Okay, that means we got a problem with the control, but you see now that I don't think it's low freon in here, because earlier you guys see we have the control, the relay, right? That means the pressure sensor it still allow the system to control the relay. So now it's fair to check for relay, see what's going on with this relay and why the system doesn't work. So earlier I already tested for the power supply to the relay in the fuel box, and all we have, even we have the control relay when the AC on. So now it's time to check this relay still alive or already dead. Okay, I put the multimeter on the ohm reading with the tone, and like you can see, we have two together. Oh, sorry, not tone. Yeah, you can hear the tone right now. Okay, and then this one is the switch side. Make sure you don't touch to it all, okay? And then the switch side. Yeah, and good to go. And then on my tool, I have the ground right here. My tool can tell in on this the ground. Let me put the tone on. Yeah, this ground from here, okay? And then now I jump the power in it, let this relay working. Let me turn off the tone and then see the relay click or not. See, I can hear the relay click, but you see on multimeter no change, still OL. Even I hold it, you see on my tool say jump power to it right now, but look like the inside this relay is already back. So let's put another relay in it and then see how it works. Okay guys, I have another relay here. I don't know where this relay come from, maybe from the junkyard. And you see, this is the original one. You see, it seems to be smaller than the one I have right now. So even shorter, the one I have on hand right now is taller, but I don't care. You can see the terminal seem to be the same slot, same thickness, same distance. Even you put in here, you see it like the same, all look same to me. So let's put this relay back in. New relay, I would say that new relay, put in. Okay, new relay put in, and then back in the car. We don't need a multimeter anymore. Back in the car, you can see. Right now the temperature is something around like 80 degrees. And then with the key right here, let's start it. The engine running right now. Let's turn on the fan. Let's turn on the AC. Okay, back there we look on the compressor to see it engaged or not. Hopefully the compressor working now. Yeah, as you can see, the compressor is running, working right now. Yeah, spinning too fast. And you can see, I don't know if it's clear on the video or not, but anyway, the compressor back to work now. Go back on the car, see the temperature. Oh yeah, I guess it seems to be cold right now. Okay, let's see guys, from 80 up there, and now I'm back around like 50 degrees right now. So the problem is fit. Alright, see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.